What if your cravings told you everything you needed to know about you, and that by stuffing them down or numbing them out with an injection wasn't the answer, but there was something much more valuable that you could do? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
If you crave sugar, it's probably, most definitely, because your gut microbiome craves the sugar, the bacteria that it's been creating because you're eating sugar. I used to eat sugar all the time and I was addicted to it. And a lot of us don't even realize that we're addicted to it because it's just kind of, we think it's normal to want sugar all the time or want sugar at night. Do you guys want sugar every night? Comment down below if you have a sweet craving every single night, because I thought that was normal. That is not normal.
Well, the thing is like with any addict, it kind of just happens and then you're overwhelmed because your brain is overwhelmed, your gut is overwhelmed, and everything in between. So you're just like, got to get your fix. You got to get the next fix, the next fix, the next. It's a great way to keep you in a victim mindset. It's a great way for you to stay sick. It's a great way for you to age poorly. But who
spend
wants
a lot
that?
of money.
Yeah, I mean, true. Yeah, but who wants that? Like, I know people tell me all the time, I'm a sugar addict.
Yeah, they're like proud of it.
Well, they just know it. Like, they just realize, oh, I'm reaching for sugar. And they know sugar isn't great, but they can't help themselves.
So what if I told you guys that you could have your cake and eat it too? Stay tuned to the end of the video to see the little surprise that we have for you guys.
And you don't need to get an extensive, like $4,000 gut microbiome out-of-pocket analysis. Like, if you are craving sugar, chances are those microbes in your gut microbiome are winning the ones that you feed sugar to. The thing is, they're like really demanding children. And if you're a parent, this one was very demanding. And if you have a demanding child, they make it known. Like, I want it now, mom, and I want it the way I want it, when I want it, how I want it. And that's how your gut microbiome just like behaves when those chaotic, demanding microbes are in charge. And so you know that you've got a sugar problem if you're craving sugar and carbohydrates all the time. That means at breakfast you have your Starbucks with all the pumps. At lunch you have, your, tuna salad, chicken salad on a big white bun or at Subway. And then for a snack you got a candy bar, or maybe it's a Kind bar, or maybe it's a fancy Hue bar, that has coconut sugar in it. It's still sugar every which way you look at it. And then for dinner, maybe you have pasta or pizza. 100% carb day, folks. Every few hours you go through a roller coaster up and down. And this is a very intricate system.
Something I want you guys to think about. Imagine going off of sugar and flour for just 3 days. Okay, and that's the process we take our girls through because it's the first and fastest way to see results. Not only on the scale, but your body will start to crave different foods. So what do we replace it with? Because we don't just believe in deprivation. We're like, no, you can have your cake and eat it too. I'm telling you guys, it's a real thing. What you do is you just swap the foods you were eating with whole foods. So fiber. So if you're having, let's just give an example. You have a bunch of potato chips or whatever. We'll teach you how to make your own at home. And let's say you love ice cream. We'll teach you how to make a fibrous one. I've got crazy recipes. You won't even believe how much fiber are packed in them for ice cream. So you can have ice cream every day. Can you imagine that? And lose weight and heal your gut microbiome. So your gut microbiome is going to be craving a Wendy's Frosty made of zucchini, and you will never know there's zucchini in it.
It takes a couple days though, so it's not going to happen immediately, but there does have to be an intentional shift. Just like if you're a cocaine addict or an alcoholic, you have to intentionally just leave the cocaine off the table. No more alcohol, right? With food, it's a little bit trickier, but it's no different. And they've done the psychology studies, the neurological studies, the gut microbiome, gut brain access studies. This is not like hearsay. It's just that your doctor only got a couple of hours of nutrition education in his background. So how are you supposed to know? Your insurance company probably doesn't cover meeting with a nutritionist to learn more, and she might not even know. So this is something you absolutely need to learn, and that's why we're making these videos for you, because we know that it's possible. We see the freedom that's on the other side, and we don't think you should go into a whole like binge purge mindset and deprivation, which was what Penelope was talking about. So you definitely should head over to our Substack and get some amazing recipes that we're making all the time, because we believe that you have to have your cake and eat it too, but it should just be made from different ingredients. And you know what we did for you this holiday season? We are offering you a free 7-day sugar detox. Isn't that amazing? And you can take advantage of it. Oh, it's the holidays, you might say. I have a party. Too bad. Make something else for the party. Everyone will be like, well, what did you make? That's so delicious. I can't believe it. There's no sugar in this. That's what people say to us all the time. That's what we know. That's what they're going to say. Anyway, if you got the courage to do it, we've got your back. 7 days free sugar detox. Are you in?
Comment down below one thing you learned about sugar that you may have have not known before, like this video and please share it with someone that you love that you know needs to hear this message, because trust me, I know a lot of people that need to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate all your support when you subscribe. Subscribe to our Substack. We post recipes every week, all sugar-free, gluten-free, grain-free. It's amazing. It's all free. Most of it's free. We need your support, so please go subscribe to our Substack.
And let us know what you want us to talk about. In fact, we create these topics based on what we think you guys are interested in, but in fact, I would actually love to know what you want to hear more about. Comment down below.